Hello everyone, in today's math challenge, we will take a look at this 300x question. Two brothers, Mike and Nick, went to a town to sell eggs at two different markets. All the eggs are identical, but they have different business skills, and later on we will see the consequence of them. So at the end of the day, they have sold 300 eggs in total. Although Mike sold less number of eggs than Nick, their incomes were the same. Apparently, Mike has got better business skills because he sold eggs at a higher price. After they have done some calculations, Mike said, if I had sold the same number of eggs as yours, my income would be £45. And Nick said, if I had sold the same number of eggs as yours, my income would be only £20. Here is the question, how many eggs did each of them sell? You can pause the video at this point and spend as much time as you need, and then we come back for the answer. Okay, let's have a look at the answer together. If we employ the traditional algebra method on this question, it should work. So here we just set some unknowns. For example, Mike has sold mx with the price of x pounds each, and Nick has sold nx with the price of y pounds each. And based on the statements in the question, we can build up several questions. The first one, they have sold 300 eggs in total. So the first equation is m plus n is equal to 300. Another statement, their incomes were the same because Mike's income is equal to the number of eggs he sold, m, multiplies the price of each egg, x, is m multiplies x. And Nick's income is equal to the number of eggs he sold, which is n, multiplies the price of each egg, y. So ny is Nick's income. Because their incomes were the same, the second equation is mx is equal to ny. And then Mike said, if I had sold the same number of eggs as yours, my income would be 45. So that means if Mike had sold nx with the price of x pounds each, his income would be 45 pounds. So that means n multiplies x is equal to 45. And the last statement, Nick said, if I had sold the same number of eggs as yours, my income would be only 20 pounds. So that means if Nick has sold m eggs at the price of y pounds each, his income would be 20 pounds. So m multiplies y is equal to 20. So now we have set up 4 equations and we list them together. Because there are 4 unknowns and there are 4 equations, in principle, we can solve all of them. However, we need to take care the best strategy to do this. Firstly, because we need to calculate the number of eggs sold by Mike and Nick, we need to calculate m and n here. And it is better just to cancel out x and y first, only leaving m and n to solve. And by observing these equations, for example, for the second equation, if we move the y to this side by using y to divide both sides, you will get x over y here. And for the third and fourth equation, if we divide them for the left side, x divided by y, we will get another x over y. So it is possible to cancel this x over y. So this just indicates us some simple strategy to work it out. For the second equation, we can use my to divide both sides. Okay, for the left side, m will be cancelled, leaving x over y. And for the right side, y will be cancelled, leaving n over m. Okay, so we will get x over y is equal to n over m. And between the third and fourth equation, we can use the fourth equation to divide the third equation. Okay, we can use this relationship. If A is equal to B and C is equal to D, as long as C and D are not zeros, this relationship A over C is equal to B over D is always true. Okay, so here we can just use the left side to divide the left side here and the right side to divide this right side. Okay, we will get n over m multiplies x over y is equal to 45 over 20. And we can simplify this by using 5 to divide both top and bottom. We will get 9 over 4. Okay, so now we will have 3 important equations. The first one, m plus n is equal to 300. Second one, x over y is equal to n over m. And the third one, n over m multiplies x over y is equal to 9 over 4. And we just put these 3 equations together because we have got x over y here. And here, x over y is equal to n over m. So actually, we can use this n over m to replace this x over y. Okay, and we will get n over m multiplies another n over m is equal to 9 over 4. So that means n squared over m squared is equal to 9 over 4. Because both 9 and 4, they are square numbers, we can easily work out n over m is equal to 3 over 2, because both n and m, they are positive numbers. And we can use m to multiply both sides, so n is equal to 3 over 2m, or n is equal to 1.5m. And we can just replace this n here with 1.5m, and m plus 1.5m is equal to 300. So 2.5m is equal to 300, and m is equal to 120, and n is equal to 300 minus m. 300 minus 120 is equal to 180. So that means Mike has sold 120x and Nick has sold 180x, just because Mike sold the x with higher price than Nick and their income were the same. Okay, so you can see for this question, the power of the algebra method is demonstrated again. So I just hope you will become more and more familiar with this very important method. Thank you very much.